Donna?
Yeah.
So you can also tell a male from a female if you look at the tip of the ossicles, the things that are shaped like horns. They actually form part of the skull. The males are bald, they don't have anything covering the horns, whereas the females have got hair covering the horns.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Oh, I'm in that picture?
Yes, I am. It's amazing.
Yeah, we're still here. We're still here.
Just a second.
Come closer.
Do you remember the guy that we passed in the morning? He was living a fly whisk, like the giraffe's tail. So he cut a giraffe tail.
Oh.
No, I'm joking. It's made of something else.
Looks like a buffalo's tail.
No, I remember we had one.
It's darn sun in the way.
Here, he's peeking at it.
Yeah, we can't see you hiding behind that bush.